Tomato sauce, garlic, smoking olive oil, red pepper flakes, oregano.
Feeling hot.
Run, Jill! He's insane!
Way too much pizza dough, far more pepperoni than you'll need, cheese.
Open sesame!
What is it?
It's a weapon. It's really powerful.
But how about you, Barry?
I have this.
I really hope you weren't expecting a rundown of the ingredients. I'm just going to use the leftover stuff. You goose, why are you watching this? Go outside, you pleb. I'm sorry, that was not fair. I'm just working stuff out. This is what happens when your mother gets on you for not going to school, and then all of a sudden your younger brother is going to college. Who let him into higher education? I'm hungry. What's for dinner, boy? It's Mega Man versus powerful leaders and fighting forces of Monsteropolis. A long time ago the world was in an age of chaos. Are you still here?